2016 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, air conditioning, front, HomeLink garage door opener, floor mats, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.